I've always been telling you guys this, that airdrop that will pay you will not stress you. All right, I have this alpha on my screen here. You can see on my screen here. The name of this alpha is called GAYA Wallet Airdrop. All right, and this update is very fresh. All right, if you're coming across this update for the first time, do not skip this video. Make sure you watch till the end so you will be able to dive into this. All right, so this particular airdrop just raised a whopping sum of 4 million, and their TGE and airdrop distribution is coming on Q4 of 2025. All right, which is the end of 2025. All right, so first of all, let us dive into the tokenomics. They've raised a total sum of 120 million, guys. This is a very low total supply. It just reminds me of N-Pro Wallet. All right, the one that I recently made a video about, the particular airdrop that is backed by Near Protocol. If you've not participated, make sure you check out the video so you can get started, guys. This airdrop might just be the biggest airdrop in 2025, guys. Like, I'm not capping here. InfoFi has been trending for quite some time now, and for those of us that yap on Twitter to get reward, will be familiar with what I'm saying. Those on kwck and other similar InfoFi platform, they'll really understand what I'm talking about. So we actually know how this crypto space really works. Over time, there would be a new face, like a new meta would be invoked, so you never can tell. All right, so when updates like this come your way, don't miss out. Besides, you don't really need to do much work here. It just costs you 10 to 15 minutes of your time. All right, so without wasting any much of our time, let us dive into this alpha, guys. Okay, so before you get started, you have to download this wallet from your Play Store. All right, you have to download this wallet from your Play Store, and to do that, you just simply need to click on this link right here. Okay, either you click on this link right here, or you just head on to your Play Store and search for GAYA Wallet and install the wallet, guys. Okay, so I will be leaving this link in the video description below. You can also get it on my TikTok bio by clicking on that Linktree website there. All right, so I'll just click on this. All right, then I'll go ahead and install the wallet. All right, click on get started. Then you create a new wallet here. First of all, create a new pin. I'll create a new pin here. Confirm pin. All right, you can choose to sign in with your fingerprints or just skip that or deactivate that. Then click on I understand. Create wallet. All right, so you are asked to secure your wallet. Don't risk losing your phone. Protect your wallet by saving the seed phrase. Click on start. All right, then click on start again. All right, so in this box, immediately you click on view. You'll be able to see your seed phrase. Then you copy it and save it. Keep it somewhere safe, okay, because your seed phrase is your wallet. All right, so guys, as you can see, I've saved my seed phrase and I've successfully created this wallet. So click on next. Now just input a username. Just type in Starlight 1111. all right, check availability, check if it's available for use. Okay, it's available. Register username. All right, so I'm inside the wallet. I'll just click on allow notification. All right, let us wait for it to load up. Okay, so what you basically need to do inside of this wallet is simple. So after you finish creating your wallet, you'll have to claim your welcome bonus. All right, and by claiming your welcome bonus, just click on the settings icon down here. Click on this settings icon down here, then click on rewards right here. All right, then here you will be asked to input a referral code. Okay, so this is where you get to input my referral code. Okay, I would be leaving it on the screen here, so you just simply type it in. All right, or you can just get it from my WhatsApp or Telegram channel right here. Just click on copy, then come back here, input your pin, and then paste. All right, once you paste it, click on submit. All right, so after inputting the referral code, it's gonna take you to this section. Okay, so what you basically need to do here, first of all, claim your welcome bonus of 100 XP, which I have done here. All right, this is the invite friends section here. Okay, where you get to invite your friend. You can see here, earn 300 XP on every friend that join. All right, then the third one is on-chain tax. Okay, this on-chain tax has to do with all your on-chain activities. Okay, let us click here. You can see here that here you can deposit any of this coin, either Solana, Ethereum, BNB, and the rest. Okay, so when you perform an on-chain activity like swapping, sending, and all of that, okay, you would also accumulate XP as well. Let's click on the settings, then rewards. Okay, you also accumulate XP points here under the on-chain tax. Okay, let me click on it. You can see here, swap on Solana chain, you get 1 XP. So 1 XP per $1 swapped. All right, buy crypto, 1 XP per $1 bought in app. Okay, so if you deposit Solana tokens here and you wish to swap, you can just click on the swap button here, click on this middle arrow here to switch from Solana to any other token you intend swapping to. I think it's just Solana and USDC at the moment. That's if you're under Solana network. Yeah, that is if you're under Solana network. You can change to other networks here. Let's change to Ethereum. Let's see, or let's change to BSC and let us see. Okay, now let's go back to the reward. Okay, I think it's only applicable to Solana. Let's check Ethereum. Okay, you can see that the reward section is not showing, so I think for now it's just under Solana network. Okay, so let's head back to the reward section. Sorry, I'm being too fast, guys. I don't want this video to be that long. All right, so these are the tax here. Then lastly is the social tax. Okay, this social tax is very necessary. All right, you have to verify your social tax. All right, you have to verify your social tax. This is very necessary, right, in order to qualify for this airdrop. This is another way of filtering a lot of bots, because a lot of people might tend to spam the system. Okay, create multiple accounts and all of that. All right, so you have to fill in your socials. You have to fill in your social, like your Instagram, your Twitter, and all of that. Okay, so on this social tax section, before you begin, first of all, verify your socials by clicking on this. Okay, so here you have to input your Telegram username, your X account, your Discord, your Instagram, and your YouTube. Okay, so all you just basically need to do is just input the username right in front of the link there. All right, that's just all you need to do. Once you input it, then you click on submit, it would be saved, just as every other of my social handles are saved here. So let's head back. So once you verify your social, then you can go ahead and complete each and every of these tasks here. You can see that each of these tasks has their allocated XPs. All right, so as you do that, you tend to accumulate more XPs for yourself. All right, so you can see here that for you to appear on the leaderboard, you would have attained either the silver, the bronze, or the gold medal. Okay, and the minimum XP for the silver medal is 500 XP. All right, you can see here, so far I have just 260 XP, so I need 240 XPs left. All right, so guys, this is basically all you need to do about this airdrop, guys. All right, to earn more points, just complete the social tax, on-chain tax, perform on-chain tax, then invite as many friends as possible. All right, invite as many friends as possible. Then over time, we would get to convert this our XP to GAYA tokens. Okay, you can see it at the top here. If I click on this convert right now, they will tell you redemptions ain't live yet. They will unlock around TGE. Stay tuned, it's gonna be worth it. All right, so TGE is scheduled to hold on the Q4 of this year 2025, which is the end of this year, towards the end of this year. So make sure you get started, guys. Make sure you get started. Don't fade on this alpha. Like I said, this might just be the biggest airdrop of 2025. You never can tell, so it's better you don't miss out than you didn't participate at all. All right, so just follow this simple video guide, all right, and position yourself for this alpha, guys. So thanks a lot for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Peace.